I don't know, man. Speed Turf just never had that right ring to it. I'm sorry, Dolphins fans. I honestly apologize. But that was uncalled for. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max Speed Turf in the Dolphins colorway. Now, for those who don't know what the Speed Turf is, this was Dan Marino's signature shoe. It released back in 1995 for the first time and was running concurrently with the Air Diamond Turf, which was Deion Sanders' line. And those two are some of my favorite Nike football shoes ever, alongside the Air Trainer 1 and most of Bo Jackson's line, actually. So I'm not even gonna say just the Air Trainer 1. But we're not talking about Bo Jackson, we're talking about Dan Marino. And Dan Marino, to this day, is still one of the coldest quarterbacks ever. You know, rings or not, he's still one of the coldest quarterbacks to ever grace the football field. And the last time these released was 2012, which was 6 years ago. But these hit outlets, and you could find these as late as like 2013, 2014 for, you know, less than retail. So hasn't been off shelves for that long, but yeah, they brought it back again. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is white, industrial orange, and black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe is made up of a variety of materials, including leather, mesh, suede, and grain leather. Take a look at the toe. You have a white leather toe cap with suede panels on both sides, and the lateral side says Air on it. And you also have these little holes in the middle of the toe that have little suede overlay panels as well. Moving towards the tongue, you got the industrial orange Nike swoosh on a suede teal overlay. And you also have a black suede overlay that borders around the black suede tongue. You have a black tongue tag with an orange football as well as the white Nike swoosh. And you also have a suede black on black midfoot strap. For the lateral, you got the white mesh base as well as this netting for the midfoot strap. And you also have the white leather overlay and the suede panels. Also, you've got this industrial orange full grain leather Nike swoosh, and that's supposed to imitate a football. Also, you have this black suede panel which wraps around the shoe. For the heel, you've got a black suede heel with a white Nike swoosh, and you've got a green and orange pull tab with a white Nike swoosh on it. The lateral has similar details as the medial does. So you have the full grain leather swoosh by the ankle, and you have the white leather panels, as well as the suede overlays and the mesh and knitted panels. You got a white midsole with the exposed Air unit on the heel and a Nike logo right on the front by the vamp. And you have more black as you move towards the front of the shoe. And lastly, you've got a black and white outsole. There was no doubt that I had to pick up this colorway. And quality-wise, it's a decent quality shoe. It's nothing really special. The way that the sneaker world works, you know, I don't know if this would be a random sellout, but yeah, I'm glad I picked up this pair. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Max Speed Turf in the Dolphins colorway hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on July 1st for a retail price of $140. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.